Hey everybody, Max Monty 1516 here, back again with another Thomas Wooden Railway and Wood review. Today, we'll be taking a look at 6 different models of James, so let's go ahead and get into it. So, starting off with the 1995 James, this is a really good model in my opinion. I love the face here. It looks just like it came out of Season 1. Again, with the older models, there's quite a few differences actually. You can see here by this circle and the magnet there, a painted coal, the wooden funnel, and the thin out wheels. Also no name on the bottom. This James is, again, very simplistic, although the shape is very nice. It looks a lot like James, and I think this is a really good model. So, yeah, there's James. So let's go ahead and move on now to the second version of James I have, which is the 2003 model. So this James is a big difference. I don't want to call it an upgrade, but it's definitely more detailed, more crisp, etc. As you can see, it's got the correct color dome, handrails, stripes, cab detailing, or not cab detailing, firebox detailing and cab detailing. Also splashers here, which is something that the old James had. Again, not much detail on that. But, yeah, again, there's no painted coal here this time, as you can see. And the face is very different, although this is not a good face. So this James, again, there's name on the bottom now, and a very standard 2003 item. I don't know what the heck happened to this tender, but there it is, I guess. But, yeah, anyway, that is the 2003 James. So next, we're going to take a look at the 2011 James. Now, this is the same as the previous model, except for the face, as you can see there. It's a CGI face now. Again, the eyebrows are kind of rubbed off on mine. This is secondhand. But, yeah, it's something alright. Looking at the James again, a very good model overall, but yeah, the face could have been a lot better, honestly. It's not that bad, but again, late learning curve really shouldn't have tried doing CGI in the first place. Speaking of CGI, moving on to the 2013 model now. This is my favorite model of James. I like the brighter color. It looks more accurate to CGI. Handrails are much more crisp now, sorry. And, yeah, so as you can see here, also the lines are a lot thinner, looking more accurate. And, yeah. So looking at the CGI face, that's spot on. Again, Mattel is really good at faces. And then, looking at the tender here, it's a little bit more puffed up, I guess. I mean, it's definitely not as, like, sharp. As the center, I guess that's a good way to describe it. Softed edges really show here on this model. And that's probably my only gripe, is that the tender's not great. But yeah, overall, that is the CGI James. Sorry. And also, we have whistle detailing now, which is also pretty cool. So, yeah. So, we have 2 models of James left, and first up is the 2018 model. Now, this is a horrible model. This is really, really bad. Now, I don't actually have the normal version of the 2018 James. I did not care to pick it up. I only got the set. So, in the set version, as you can see, it's got snow detail. Again, the snowflakes are nice. They look nice as a decoration, but like, really? Like, come on. But yeah, the only positive thing I can say about this James that I like is that there's actual, not really a mold, but a different carve for the splashers now, even though if it's not great. But yeah, I cannot say anything. That's the only good thing I can say about this James. It's really bad. And even when wood has good faces, that one's bad too. Like, look at that. So yeah, all I can say is yikes. Yeah. Anyway, moving on. We have the 2019 wood James, which is just the same model but painted. Now the painted wood does make it a lot better. Definitely an improvement, I can say, but still not the greatest wood model out there. There are better ones, I can say. But yeah, overall, this James, I've done a separate review on this when I first got it. I think I unboxed it in that video. But yeah. Anyway, that is every model of Wooden Railway James I have. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day. Max Monty 1516 signing out.